Welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney-Ann, and on this channel we talk about business, entrepreneurship, finance and real estate. Today we're going to be touring a beautiful penthouse, and it's located in Kingston 19 Red Hills. So just some quick specs about the property. It's 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. One of the bedrooms are almost 19 by 20, and it also has a dual kitchen, a grand balcony of almost 200 square feet, and lots more. I'm actually standing by one of the main attractions right now, which is the infinity pool, but I'll show you that later down in the tour. So without further ado, let's begin. So they have adequate parking space on this property, guys, and then I'm going to turn around, and then we are going to head down the little hill, and then we're going to go to the entrance area of the penthouse. So guys, this penthouse has a lot of income potential. So the first room we're going to go inside is the bedroom, okay? And don't worry, I'll be attaching photos at the end of the video. So this bedroom is nicely spaced, and there are actually 2 windows in here, and it has its own personal bathroom, okay? I really like the tiling with the brown color scheme, but as you can see, it's a decent sized bathroom with a decent sized bedroom. Now when we exit the first bedroom, we're going to actually go into the main kitchen. So if you're watching this and you're an investor, this property actually has a dual kitchen. So if it is that you're interested in renting out the property, feel free to do so. So this is what the space is looking like. This is where we entered from, and the bedroom is on this side. And then here in the corner, we have dining space, okay? So I like the dark countertops in this kitchen, simply because sometimes when you're preparing food, it can stain the countertops a little bit. Then we have matching dark stoves right here, a double sink. If you guys watched the last property tour, you guys know I'm big on double sinks, and also matching appliances, so the fridge maintains a dark theme as well. So now we're going to be heading up into the other bedrooms and other bathrooms, and we're going to be viewing that second kitchen. So right as we exit that little entryway, we're going to go up the steps, and we're going to view the other bedrooms along with that massive balcony that I mentioned earlier. So on my left, this is the grand bedroom that I mentioned, and I mean, look at this space. You guys know I'm big on space already. I wanted to highlight the type of ceiling in this bedroom. It's a raised ceiling with dark crown moldings that you really get to appreciate. So this is how the room looks from another angle. So like I mentioned, it's 19 by 20. It's a massive bedroom. In my opinion, you could easily fit a living room set in here. And as you notice, this is actually a king size bed. So the bed is pretty huge. And then this bedroom actually has its own bathroom as well. So we're going to be heading inside the bathroom. And just as how the bedroom is massive, the bathroom is also absolutely massive. So like I mentioned, if you're an investor and you're watching this, this has a lot of income potential, and you also have room to customize. So the piping is already here for a tub to be installed, and we also have a walk-in shower, a toilet, and a sink inside. So that's the bedroom outside. And then to my left is that walk-in shower that I mentioned, which is pretty huge if you ask me. I've never seen a walk-in shower this big. One thing I appreciate about this unit is the history and the vintage style that it maintains. I absolutely love this sink. I love the wooden features. I love the drawings on the sink or the carvings. And it also has, you know, a matching mirror with the same type of wood. And I just want to zoom in on the designs on the sink as well. So now that we're finished with the grand bedroom, we're actually going to go out into the living space. So this also has adequate living space, and just as how you could easily fit a living room set in the master bedroom, you can still have a separate living room area for your guests to entertain. Now, I want you to take your attention to this massive balcony outside. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. So as I mentioned, this balcony is almost 200 square feet. You can easily have, you know, a family football match out here if you're having a get-together. For me, you guys know I'm always a barbecue girl, a grill kind of girl, and so I'd have an entertainment space out here, you know, just grilling and barbecuing and relaxing. And if there's one thing I absolutely love about this property, it's the amazing view, guys. Look at that view. You can see all parts of Kingston from here. Unfortunately, the weather is a little rainy down in Kingston, and I can't see the coastline from here. But if you look close enough out into the distance, you can see outlines of it. It's actually raining down in Kingston, as I mentioned. So guys, I apologize, but we cannot see the sea today. But don't worry, on a normal sunny day, you can definitely see Kingston's ocean waters. So once we get back inside of the property, as I mentioned, we have a dual kitchen. So this property was actually made to rent, but don't worry, you can always remove this second kitchenette here if it is that you want the entire unit to yourself. But if you're an investor, this is definitely keeping some change in your pocket, because you don't have to worry about installing kitchen appliances and all of that, because it's already here. So you can easily have two separate entrances. If you remember before, we actually came through one door to come up here. So if it is that you're an investor and you want to have two different tenants, they don't have to like cross paths, cross entryways and so forth. So this is the next bedroom. And yes, guys, all of the bedrooms are absolutely spacious. Enough room to fit your bed, your couch, anything you desire. You don't even have to leave the room. Personally, you guys know I'm an introvert, so I would definitely have, you know, a couch in here along with my TV and even a mini fridge if I prefer, and you guys would never ever see me again. So I'm just backing up to show you the full scope of the room. This is what it looks like. And just out these two windows are amazing views, like I keep mentioning before throughout the entire video. Views of Kingston. And guys, that's the parking lot downstairs. So that's where we started our tour. And then on the other side of the property is the coastline of Kingston. So once we're done, we're gonna go and head into the other bathroom. So this bathroom as well is also ready to go. And we have our sink here. We have a standing shower here. You do not have to worry about ventilation for this property. I guarantee you it's very, very cool. Red Hills is always known for being very cool, not too hot and stuff like that. So guys, after we exit that final bedroom, it's going to take us down the staircase, which, as I mentioned, if it is that you are renting this property to two different tenants, you do not have to worry about them sharing an entrance because it's two separate entryways. Realtor. So just to review some quick specs, we actually have a 2,000 square foot penthouse smack in the middle of Kingston 19 Red Hills, and again it's 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom. So if it is that you need to reach out for the realtor for this property, you can actually contact Miss Nadeen Neal. I will leave her number and her Instagram handle in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching another property tour with me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!